Well, first, thanks for having me. And I also want to say, how much admiration I have for all of the healthcare workers around the world who are working tirelessly to help patients. And we're trying to do our part. Now, with hydroxychloroquine, there's a number of large-scale studies going on right now around the world, properly controlled studies that are looking at using this medicine in hospitalized patients, as well as in what's called a post-exposure prophylaxis, which is giving it to patients who we know may have been exposed to the coronavirus. These trials are enrolling very quickly. They're happening all around the world, in Europe, in the US. We're sponsoring our own study ourselves, as well as supporting a number of investigator-initiated trials. I expect us to have a lot more data over the coming month.
Is it premature, though, to be considering this as a treatment, given it's so, in such early stages, these clinical trials? In your expert opinion, what do you think the prospect is this actually can be a remedy?
Well, with hydroxychloroquine, what we know is in preclinical studies, the drug is quite active against the coronavirus. But these are, of course, not in human beings, not in patients. I think, right now we are seeing the drug being used in treatment protocols in hospitals around the world. I think primarily because physicians are trying to give patients any option they can. I do think it's too soon to know for sure until we have properly controlled randomized studies. When you look at how this is going to play out, initially the industry is primarily focused on repurposing existing drugs. Hydroxychloroquine, we have studies ongoing with 3 of our existing medications. There are many other companies now looking at testing their existing medicines to see either can you kill the virus in people, or can you help treat the overreaction the immune system is having to the virus in hospitalized patients? The next phase, and that's part of the collaboration we announced yesterday in collaboration with the Gates Foundation and a number of other companies, is to find novel therapies, whether those are monoclonal antibodies or small molecule drugs that we can use to treat the infection. And then we hope over the next 18 months to 2 years, we can come back with a vaccine that will ultimately be the definitive way to deal with this pandemic.
Now, I want to pick you up on that timeline, 18 months to 2 years, because when we spoke back in January in Basel, you said that we could have a vaccine within about 12 months. So are you more pessimistic now?
Well, I think we have a candidate vaccine, which is quite impressive. I mean, when you look right now at the global response to coronavirus in the biopharmaceutical and research industry, it's unparalleled. And when I go back in time to my experience 10 years ago with the H1N1 pandemic, what I'm seeing right now is truly extraordinary, the amount of collaboration, the amount of energy. So we have one vaccine in the clinic, others being developed. But the difference in a vaccine, of course, is you're giving it to healthy people, and we need to do the appropriate clinical studies to ensure a vaccine is both safe and effective, and that takes time. That's why I think right now, in the near term, the focus will be taking existing drugs to treat the virus or treat the autoimmune reaction, or to develop new drugs that can treat people who are severely ill from the infection. That's what I think we can realistically expect over the next 12 months.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.